to go when it's hard on the road? Where we supposed to go? Hey, what we supposed to go when it's hard on the road? When it's hard on the road. Chicken, I was a young wrong, wicked biggest bastard. Cash for the 5, young P just asked questions to his parents. Driving with my uncle, 26 blocks with the ferrets. Kicks like flock niggas these days like pharaohs. I'm like Moses on the 6, pick the best those. Kicks tiny side, catch water 5. Let them guns slide, let them bullets fly. Who the hell cares? Nobody there. I watch out for the 5, life ain't fair. I don't know who can take us there, but I'm confused at this and I take a stare. Messed up with the 6 packs. Then we came with them 6 packs. I wish the motherfucker missed that. Blocks 96 with the flips blast. Shit with the block with the piece gas. Live beside the kid, these bad. These bastards got the beast west. Blocks 45, look what happened to West. Kanye, what's the block day? That was the block 96, block arcade. Now what do you expect? Shit like arcade? You niggas 24 to 5, fuck what you say. Catch 20 on the ride, I'm a gangster. Let's ride, motherfucker, y'all niggas a prankster. Keep it real, dog. Better get the Uzi and the streets hard with the scream ass, street scars. Man fly, used to close down like the man bot. Doing the style with the clock, with the man drop. Never understand, never man grab. 20 Sicilian on the fly. Messed up with the 6 packs. Then they came with them 6 packs. I wish they motherfucker missed that. Blocks 96 with the flip blast. Shit with the block with the piece gas. Light beside the kid, these bad. These bastards got the piece west. Guys 45, look what happened to West.
जी